Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm at the gas station, just topped off the tank here. I wanted to talk about something I noticed about 2 weeks ago. I noticed that when I'm using my windshield wiper fluid, that it's totally fine on the driver's side and it's a little bit lacking on the passenger side. Now, we went through a couple of snowstorms, minor snowstorms. I just assumed that it was half frozen, the nozzle, so it was like kind of dribbling out. So here's what it looks like. Right, you can see total good spray on the driver's side. Actually, if I zoom in, you can see the actual sprayer. Right, there we go. And on the passenger side, you can see half of it is actually on the cowl of the hood. See it dripping down? That's because it is not frozen. It's actually angled wrong. So I'm hoping, because I just opened the hood and looked at it, the actual piece, a little plastic piece is snapped in, it's a hood. So it's not like I can just quickly grab it and like adjust it. I'm hoping it's a little adjustable. Maybe if I stick a little paper clip or flathead screwdriver or something inside, let's see this again, deep inside where the little nozzle is, I can angle it down just a little bit so it's not hitting the top of the hood. So yeah, just a very minor problem. Like I said, I thought it was frozen, but we have 53-degree temperatures today. Let's see, 53 right now. Yep, that is plenty warm. It is no longer frozen, so now I know I have to see if I can adjust that. So fingers crossed, hopefully I can do that. Very minor problem. The first and only problem I've had with my truck, which I absolutely love. So there you go. See you guys later.